Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to take control of your Instagram comments and filter out the noise. Specifically, we're going to show you how to enable the advanced comment filtering feature on your iPhone running iOS 18. Let's jump in. First things first, launch your Instagram app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in your feed, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next up, tap on the menu icon, those three horizontal lines in the top right edge. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled How Others Can Interact with You, and then tap on Hidden Words. Here it is. Look for the advanced comment filtering option. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. Once enabled, Instagram will automatically hide comments likely marked as spam and those that fall under its hidden words criteria. If you ever want to disable this feature, just follow these same steps to get back to the hidden words menu and toggle the advanced comment filtering switch off again. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to enhance your Instagram experience by filtering out unwanted comments. Taking a few moments to enable this feature can really help you maintain a more positive and focused environment on your posts. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorial videos like this. We'll see you in the next one.